What a good boy eating that apple like a big boy. Hmm? Hmm? Somebody saw the cookies on the counter and had a nervous breakdown. And then when I gave you a cookie, because I knew you wouldn't. Are you all done? All done? Very good job, mister. That's what we like to see. It's our boy eating his fruits and vegetables. You're super good with that. We're very lucky to have such a great eater. Very good? All done? Okay, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Not today? Not today. Okay. Well, we're very proud of your eating, son. Great job. Bye-bye.